back to another video. You are again back to our homeschool learning here in Bunjit Vidya School, Chonburi. Welcome students, welcome to our math class. I am teacher Riva and today we will be together as we learn new set of math concepts in English. Are you ready? Are you ready to start? Well then, if you are ready, then let's begin. And just like the previous videos, let's begin this video with a recap or a review. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Let's have and take a look at the different vocabulary words learned last time. If you see this symbol, this represents addition. Addition. Can you say it? Very good. And when you do the addition process, you say plus. Plus. Okay. Addition plus. Very good. When we do addition process, there are different numbers, and those numbers have different names. First, the blue colored one is it's the oggend. Oggend. Say it again. Oggend. Very good. The orange colored one, it's called the addend. Addend. Very good. And number 2 in this equation is called sum. Sum. The answer in the addition process is called sum. Yes, correct. The topics of the day: patterns of numbers. In addition, adding numbers with a sum of 100,000 or less, and addition word problems. Okay, now let's study the properties of addition. First, we have commutative property of addition. Can you repeat it? Commutative property of addition. Say commutative. Very good. Let's say, for example, we have this problem. Bob puts 42,015 beads on the poles, while May had placed 43,627 beads too. How many beads are there if we put them together? This abacus shows the beads that Bob and May had placed. This abacus is for Bob. That's worth 42,015. And this is for May. 43,627. In the question, there's the word together. That means we're going to add them together. So Bob's abacus plus May's abacus. Okay. What is commutative? What do you mean by commutative property of addition? It simply says that the sum or the answer is still the same even if we switch the numbers. Again, commutative says sum is still the same even if we switch the numbers. Let's see, for example, 42,015 plus 43,627. Remember, when you add numbers, whether 2 digits or more, you always start at the right. That's 5 plus 7 equals 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 2 equals 4. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So, this is our equation A. And the sum is 85,642. What makes it commutative? Let's look at equation B. We still add the same numbers. However, 43 now is on top. 43,627 plus 42,015. 43 here is at the bottom. Here it's on top. 42 is on top. Here it's in the bottom. Let's see if we still get the same answer. And yes, the answers are the same, even if we change the position of the numbers. Alright? So, the answer is there are 85,642 beads all together. That is again commutative property of addition. Change position? No problem. Answers are still the same. Alright, let's move on to the next property. It's associative. Say it again. Associative. Associative property of addition. Alright. Let's take this as an example. During the first day of apple harvest, the farm sold 561 apples. First day. On the second day, they had sold 1,679, while on the third day there were 2,321 apples sold. How many apples were sold in 3 days? Using the associative property, let's have this number sentence. It's 561 plus 1,679 plus 2,321. When we say associative, it means add or plus, add the first and second number, then add the sum to the third number. First plus second plus third. Or add the second number and third number, then add the sum to the first number. This is second plus third plus first. The blue head here is first plus second plus third. What does it mean? Let's look at the example. The blue condition, this is the illustration. It's first number is 561 plus 1,679 plus 2,321. If what you can see in the numbers separated with the parenthesis, this one, you are going to add it first. So 561 plus 1,679. Add from the right. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 0, carry 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Plus 7 is 14. Bring down 4, carry 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 6 equals 12. 2, carry 1. 1 and 1, we have 2. We already have the sum. 2,240 is the sum. So we add 2,321. We got 1, 6, 5, and 4. This is our answer. In the heading or in the header, blue header, the answer is 4,561. It's first number plus second number equals sum plus third number. The other way to do associative is this one. Remember? Let's have B. Add the second number and the third number. 1,679 plus 2,321 equals this. 4,000, right? Plus 561, which is the first number. And still we get 4,561. Answers from A and B are equal to each other. That is associative property of addition. Alright, now let's move on to the final answer. Therefore, the final answer is, how many apples were sold in 3 days? There were 4,561 apples sold in 3 days. Next, addition word problems. When we speak about addition word problems, this means we do readings of word problems, not numbers directly. So what are you going to do? First, this one. When you have the word problem, you must read. Read and clarify the problem. Second is to plan. Plan. Third is execute the plan or solve. And lastly, check the answer if you'd like to. Again, one more time, can you say it again? Read. Plan. execute the plan? Check the answer. Okay, very good. Now, let's take a look at an example. This is the word problem. I will read and listen. Last Saturday was Bob's birthday. Her mother bought him a new bag worth 1,100 baht and a pair of shoes worth 3,545 baht. How much did her mother spend altogether? Alright. First step is to clarify the problem by answering the question, what is the story? Alright, Bob's mother bought him a new bag and a pair of shoes. Next, how much is the bag? It's 1,100 baht. How much is the pair of shoes? It's 1,585 baht. Now, what is the question? How much did Bob's mother spend altogether? Okay? These information is from the word problem itself. So you need to read and clarify the problem through these questions. Okay, now that we are done with step 1, we go to step 2, and that is plan. Plan. When you plan, you create or make a diagram or a figure. Example, you can make this 2 column or a table. This first column would be 1,100 baht and the second is 1,585 for the shoes. 1,100 baht is for the bag, 1,585 baht is for the shoes. When we had clarified the problem, we encounter the word altogether. That means we put it together, right? So this one and this would be equal to the total cost of the items. So the number sentence would be 1,100 plus 1,585 equals what? Okay, that is the plan. You don't need to solve anything. You just plan on what to do. Alright. Finish with step 2. Let's go to step 3. Step 3 is to execute the plan. Here, you have to solve for the answer already. Okay? Number sentence. It's 1,100 plus 1,585. The new bag is worth 1,100 baht. The pair of shoes is worth 1,585 baht. You add and put them together. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, Bob's mother spent 2,685 baht all together. That's how you do step 3. Execute the plan. You have to solve the problem, or you solve your plan. And if you like, you can check the answer afterwards to see if you got the correct answer. Okay? Step 3 is execute the plan, and step 4 is check the answer. Alright, so that would be all for today. For more information, you can look at your book, Math 3 in Action. But that's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and I hope to see you next time on our next online class. Goodbye, everyone, and keep safe always.